Did I get him? Or was it just so much concussion? I see something dangling under his fucking... I got it, motherfucker. A little bit. See there by his left pectoral, that shit hanging out? It wasn't there before.
You got him that time.
What do you think of that, Jay? What the fuck, Over? What kind of sick motherfucker?